Ever wondered if a tiny robot could become your new best friend? Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating pet bots that can talk, react, play, and even keep you company when no one else is around. Stick with me because one of these robotic companions might completely change the way you think about pets. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the coolest tech and gadgets worth knowing about. By the end of this video, you'll discover which pet bot matches your lifestyle best. If any of these amazing robots catch your eye, you can find their links in the description below and support the channel while bringing home your favorite companion.
First on the list is the 98K robot toys. A surprising number of kids lose interest in toys within days, but the 98K robot toys takes a very different approach. It doesn't just sit on a shelf. It responds, moves, talks, and becomes part of the adventure. With voice control, touch sensors, singing, dancing, and repeating functions, this interactive robot creates a more engaging experience than many traditional toys. Here's the real challenge parents face. Many electronic toys feel exciting for a few minutes, then end up forgotten. The 98K robot toy solves that by encouraging interaction instead of passive play. Every command sparks a response, keeping curiosity alive. Compared to simple remote control robots, this pet bot feels more personal because it reacts directly to touch and voice. The advantages are clear: entertaining features, educational interaction, and a compact design. The downside? It runs on AAA batteries and isn't ideal for older kids seeking advanced robotics. This is a great pick for parents, gift shoppers, and young robot enthusiasts who want a playful companion that feels alive. Some toys fill space. This one fills moments with unexpected smiles.
Second on the list is Enabot EBO Air 2. What if the biggest blind spot in your home wasn't a room, but a moment you couldn't see? That's where the Enabot EBO Air 2 enters the picture. At first glance, it looks playful. Then you realize it's doing much more. This compact pet robot combines a rolling home monitor, interactive companion, and smart pet camera in one surprisingly capable package. Here's the common frustration. Traditional cameras stay fixed. Pets don't. Neither do kids. The Enabot EBO Air 2 solves that problem with mobile navigation, a sharp 2K camera, two-way audio, night vision, and remote app control that lets you check in from virtually anywhere. Now for the experience. The customizable digital expressions give it personality, while the built-in laser and interactive features create moments that feel genuinely fun. Compared with a standard stationary pet camera, EBO Air 2 offers freedom and flexibility. The trade-off? It can struggle with some obstacles in multi-floor homes. This is ideal for pet owners, busy families, and anyone who wants eyes and ears beyond a single corner. Some gadgets collect dust. This one keeps creating reasons to check in, smile, and stay connected. Third on the list is GILOBABY. Most toys ask for attention. The GILOBABY interactive robot earns it. That difference becomes obvious within minutes. Instead of pressing a button and watching a routine, kids get a robot companion that responds, moves, talks, sings, dances, and even repeats their own voice back to them. It's interaction, not just entertainment. Now consider the common problem. Parents often buy electronic toys that create excitement on day 1 and boredom on day 3. The GILOBABY interactive robot tackles that challenge with voice control, touch sensors, recording functions, and playful movement that keeps children actively involved rather than simply watching. There's another layer worth mentioning. Its recording and repeat features encourage creativity, while dancing modes and interactive actions add energy to everyday playtime. Rechargeable batteries delivering hours of use are a welcome bonus for busy families. Compared with basic remote control robot toys, GILOBABY feels more personal because interaction happens through touch and voice. The trade-off? Advanced programming options are limited compared to STEM-focused robotics kits. This robot is ideal for younger children, gift shoppers, and families looking for a fun introduction to robotics. Some toys fade into the background.
this one has a way of becoming part of the conversation long after playtime begins.
Last on the list is interactive AI plush companion pet. Imagine a plush toy that remembers conversations better than some people remember birthdays. That's the intriguing promise behind the interactive AI plush companion pet companion. The first thing you notice is the comfort. Soft fabric, huggable design, familiar warmth. Then the technology quietly takes center stage. Voice interaction, touch-responsive reactions, expressive behaviors, and AI-powered conversations transform this from a stuffed toy into something that feels surprisingly alive. Now, let's address the real concern. Many buyers want companionship without the responsibility of a real pet. Feeding schedules, allergies, travel limitations, and maintenance can make ownership difficult. This AI plush companion pet fills that gap by offering interaction, emotional engagement, and playful communication without daily upkeep. There's more. The conversational AI encourages storytelling, imagination, and meaningful interaction. Expressive eyes and touch sensors make each exchange feel personal rather than scripted. Compared with traditional electronic plush toys that rely on pre-recorded sounds, this category of AI companion delivers a deeper sense of connection. The drawback? It still can't fully replace the spontaneity of a real animal, and premium AI features may come with a higher price tag. This is a thoughtful choice for kids, collectors, seniors, or anyone seeking a comforting digital companion. Some products entertain for a season. This one has the potential to become part of someone's daily routine and favorite memories.
Technology keeps getting smarter, but products like the interactive AI plush companion pet remind us that innovation can also feel warm, comforting, and surprisingly personal. If you enjoyed discovering how AI is transforming companionship, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most fascinating robotic companions and smart gadgets. And if this plush AI friend caught your attention, check out the links in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the future, one amazing companion at a time.